The CH-47 Chinook has always been one of the most iconic helicopters in the world, known for its twin-rotor design, enormous lifting power, and versatility across both military and humanitarian missions. As we step into 2026, the Chinook continues to evolve with modern upgrades that keep it at the forefront of heavy-lift helicopter technology. This new era of the Chinook reflects not just an update in power and capability, but also a deeper focus on performance, safety, and adaptability to future combat and rescue scenarios. Today, we are diving into everything you need to know about the CH-47 Chinook 2026, exploring its design elements, technical specifications, price point, and what makes it one of the most reliable workhorses in aviation history. The very first thing you notice about the Chinook is its unique and unmistakable appearance. The twin-rotor system, one at the front and one at the rear, is not just for looks. It eliminates the need for a tail rotor and gives the helicopter exceptional lifting capability. This design is especially useful for carrying heavy loads and transporting large numbers of personnel across challenging terrains. The 2026 model of the Chinook carries forward the signature design but with improved aerodynamics and better efficiency in rotor performance. The updated blades are built with advanced composite materials, making them lighter, stronger, and more resistant to wear and environmental stress. This translates into smoother flight, lower maintenance needs, and increased lifespan of critical components. Performance has always been the backbone of the Chinook's reputation, and the 2026 variant pushes that reputation even further. The helicopter is powered by modern Honeywell T55 GA714A turboshaft engines that deliver well over 4,800 shaft horsepower each, giving the aircraft the strength to lift enormous payloads even in high altitude and hot weather conditions. In real terms, that means the Chinook can carry more than 22,000 pounds of cargo internally or externally. Whether it is transporting troops, heavy artillery, vehicles, or supplies, the Chinook delivers power with unmatched reliability. This capability makes it an essential part of military logistics, where rapid deployment and heavy lifting often determine mission success. At the same time, the helicopter is equally valuable in disaster relief missions, where it can airlift large supplies of food, water, or even evacuate civilians from dangerous areas. Speed is another area where the Chinook has always impressed. The 2026 model has a cruising speed of around 180 miles per hour, which is remarkably fast for a helicopter of this size and load capacity. With a range of nearly 400 nautical miles, it ensures that long-distance missions can be carried out without frequent refueling. This combination of speed, range, and payload capacity makes it one of the most flexible and dependable aircraft in its class. Pilots often emphasize how responsive and stable the Chinook feels even under heavy loads, and these handling characteristics are even more refined in the 2026 version thanks to upgrades in flight control systems and avionics. Inside the Chinook, functionality takes priority, but the 2026 version has not ignored the importance of crew comfort and safety. The cockpit features state-of-the-art avionics with fully digital displays, automated navigation assistance, and enhanced situational awareness systems. These upgrades reduce pilot workload and improve mission accuracy, especially during complex operations in low visibility or combat zones. For the crew and passengers, the cabin remains spacious, modular, and highly adaptable. It can be reconfigured quickly for troop transport, cargo hauling, or medical evacuation. Improved insulation and vibration reduction systems have made long missions less tiring for everyone on board. In terms of safety and survivability, the Chinook 2026 is built to handle modern challenges. It features advanced ballistic protection, self-sealing fuel tanks, and improved infrared suppression to reduce the risk from heat-seeking missiles. The helicopter is also equipped with an upgraded defensive suite that includes radar and missile warning systems, countermeasures, and advanced electronic warfare capabilities. These upgrades are critical in today's evolving battlefield environment where helicopters are often exposed to multiple threats. The aircraft's rugged structure and proven reliability give crews the confidence that they are flying in one of the most battle-tested and trusted platforms in the world. Another impressive aspect of the CH-47 Chinook 2026 is its ability to operate in virtually any environment. From arid deserts to icy mountain ranges, the helicopter performs consistently well. Its ability to take off and land in rough terrain or confined areas gives it a huge advantage in both military and humanitarian operations. The dual-rotor design provides excellent stability in high winds and turbulent conditions, something single-rotor helicopters often struggle with. This makes it not just a transport vehicle, but a lifeline in missions where conditions are unpredictable and dangerous. Price is always a major factor when discussing advanced military aircraft. The CH-47 Chinook 2026 is expected to cost between $35 and $40 million per unit, depending on configuration and customization. While this may sound like a huge investment, it is considered cost-effective in the world of heavy-lift helicopters because of its unparalleled reliability and multipurpose capability. Governments that invest in the Chinook are essentially buying an aircraft that can perform dozens of roles for decades with proper maintenance. That long-term value is one reason why more than 20 countries around the world continue to operate and upgrade their Chinook fleets. When it comes to release and availability, the 2026 Chinook is part of the ongoing modernization program known as Block 2 upgrades. These upgrades are being delivered progressively, and the 2026 models represent some of the most advanced versions to date. The U.S. Army, which is the primary operator, plans to keep the Chinook in service well into the 2060s, which tells you just how future-proof this helicopter truly is. International customers are also set to receive upgraded models over the coming years, ensuring that the Chinook remains a central figure in global aviation for decades to come. In conclusion, the CH-47 Chinook 2026 is not just a helicopter, it is a legend that has continuously adapted to meet the needs of modern warfare, rescue missions, and humanitarian aid. Its unique design, incredible lifting capacity, advanced technology, and battle-proven reliability make it one of the most valuable aircraft in the world. Whether it is transporting soldiers into combat, rescuing disaster victims, or delivering critical supplies to remote areas, the Chinook proves its worth every single time. The 2026 version ensures that this legendary helicopter remains more capable and relevant than ever, blending tradition with modern innovation. For those who value power, performance, and trust in the skies, the Chinook continues to stand tall as the gold standard of heavy-lift helicopters.